Hello everyone, in this video we will create a search box in MS Excel. So let's check it. First of all, the demo. You can create this search box in another sheet also, but I have created the same with the same. Okay, in the sheet we have data, so I have created a search box there. So let's, for example, we would like to search. Okay, just Salim we have searched, but if we search a name which is not existed, so there we will display a message, whatever message we want, so we can display that message like this. I have just printed no. So now let's get started. Okay, so how to create this search box? So this is our data. Okay, in this sheet we have this data. So now let's, first of all, we will convert this data to a table. So press Ctrl T. After pressing Ctrl T, so it will convert it to the table. It is already converted to the table. Okay, table design. So it has been converted to the table. So now let's change the name of this table. Whenever you convert this to the table, so come here to the table design and come here to the table name. Here we will assign data 3, for example, data 3 name, because we have other tables also by the name of data. So I have assigned data 3 name to this table. Now let's assign a name to this name column also. Let's select this, Control Shift down arrow key. After selecting the name column, we will assign a name to this. So to assign a name to this, here we will write data names. Like this, we have assigned data names to this name column. So after that, let's first of all copy this header, Control C, and paste it here. Let's create a search box at the top. Come here to the insert and to the shapes, the first one, just copy that one. So after creating the search box, let's assign this background color. Come here to the insert and to the icons. In the icons, we will find the search icon. So we will search here in the icons search. After that, we will select this one and insert it to our file. So it is just downloading that icon. This is the icon. Let's decrease the size of this. Bring it here and also change the background color like this, make it green. After that, let's now have a text box here. So for the text box, you should have developer tab in your tabs. So if the developer tab is not existed, it is not okay by default, it is not here in the menu bar. So for that, right click in an empty area in this ribbon. Okay, for example, at this end, right click, customize the ribbon, and here check the developer tab and press OK. So after come here to the developer tab, to the controls, to the insert, and insert this text box. Let's draw the text box like this, and right click on this text box, click properties. First of all, let's change the background color. Back color is okay, white, and border color, let's change the border color to window background, and border style, let's make it 1. And after that, just come here, linked cell. Okay, in linked cell we will just link, for example, L3. I will link L3 cell with this L3. So after linking that, let's close it, and also let's uncheck this design model. So let's click here and let's click it again, bring it down like this, uncheck it. So here we can write our text. Now let's write our function here. So to write the function, for that we will write equal to filter function. First of all, inside the filter we will select our data. So we have assigned data 3 name to that, to our table. See that data has been selected, comma, then we will use as number function. Inside that search function, inside the search function, our find text. Our text is inside L3 that we have linked with this text box. So we will write here L3. After writing L3, press F4 to make it absolute reference, comma, within text. So we will just search data names, this name column, because we want to search based on names, data names. After that, close the search function, close the as number, then comma, if there was no record, so we will write no record, this message. close it and close the filter, press enter. So we have the default records. So now let's search it. For example, Salim Kabir, and if you write something which is not existed, it will print as no record. So it was how we can create a search box in MS Excel. You can create this search box in another sheet also, where you can just write this the same logic, but I have created in the same sheet. So I hope you learned this video and you learned the search box in MS Excel. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.